Hello everyone, my name is Pavel. Let me show you how you can easily create your game data structure using our system Balancy and easily deliver your content to your game. Let's get it started. Open balancy.dev. You'll have to register here, but since I already have an account, I just need to log in. You can send me emails if you have any questions. I don't need this project. You'll land on an empty project. You can take one of our examples if you want to. I will just create a new empty project and call it Epic Game. Open it. First you need to do is to create your game data structure. Our game will have items. You don't need to change any other values. You can use description to add a hint to your teammates. Each item will have parameters like name, which is string, and I'm going to use it in display name. Description. By the way, you can use not a string value parameter type, but localized string if you're planning to localize your description and name. Our game will have inventory, so items can stack. That's why I'll add a new parameter max stack. By default, it will be 20. Okay, that's enough. Let's create a new template and call it ingredient. I'm going to create a mini game for craft. Ingredient will have a type of component because it's an injected type. It will not create an independent table and it will be used inside of other tables. You will see the difference later. Ingredient has parameters item, which is the link to item. It will also have amount, type integer. By default, let it be 1. Another template I need is a recipe, which will be used to craft a specific item. It will have parameters product, which will be a link to ingredient, which will tell which product will be created and how many of those. The second parameter is a list of ingredients. The type is list, documents, and link to documents. Okay, the structure is ready. Let's create several items. The first item will be wood, stone, leather, X. Max stack of X will be 1. Okay, let's save it. Let's create a recipe. We'll create a recipe for our X. This is, by the way, the difference for ingredients. You need to create it right inside of another cells. Our first recipe will be used to create an X, as I've said before. So choose X, amount, let's say 1. To create an X, you will need some ingredients. You will need wood, like let's say 2 wood, 1 stone, and leather to connect wood and stone. Let's save it. The recipe is ready. You can view it. By the way, you can easily remove any ingredients if you want to, like this. You can use Ctrl Z to undo your changes. The content is ready. Now we need to deploy the changes. On this page, you can preview all the changes we have made. You can see that we have created templates, parameters, and made specific changes to documents. When you click on the deploy, all the data will be saved to JSON files and put on CDN. Later you can preview at what time I have created specific deploys and what exactly get into it. Next, we need to open Unity.